I'm going to show you how to use our online public access catalog, OPAC, called Destiny Discover. This screen is up in our library on the circulation desk computers. If you want to search for a title and you go up to the search bar, you can search by title and it will give you the book that matches that title. It gives you the call number so you know where to find it. So this book would be located in our fiction section on the C shelf. If you're interested in looking for a specific author, you could search by author. So if I put in Jeff Kinney, you'll get all the books by Jeff Kinney, which are the Diary of a Wimpy Kid books. Again, you have the call number, so you know where to find it on the shelf. If you're looking for a specific topic in nonfiction or anywhere in our library, you can also search. So for example, if we were searching for habitats, you could type in habitats, push enter, and you'll get all of the books and materials that match that subject search. So this is going to sort them by relevance. We can sort them by call number, which I prefer so that they're grouped by where they are in our library. If you scroll down, you can see what they are, where they're located. If we stop on this one, Grasslands, you can see the title, the author, and the call number of that book. If you wanted to put that on hold, you simply click hold, and it'll be held for you at the circulation desk. Another subject you might want to search could be a specific person or specific animal. If you were searching for books on LeBron James, you can type LeBron James. Again, it's sorted by call number, so these are the books we have on LeBron James. We have one, it's a collection in the sports section, 796.323, but then we also have a LeBron James biography in 921 James. If you ever have any questions, you can always come to the circulation desk and we can answer the questions that you have.